Welcome to Car Culture. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases in the automotive world, the Bugatti Tourbillon 2025. A car that is set to redefine luxury and performance, the Tourbillon 2025 embodies a perfect blend of advanced technology, design excellence, and extreme engineering. Let us take a closer look at what makes this hypercar a masterpiece of the future. The exterior of the Bugatti Tourbillon 2025 is nothing short of extraordinary. Featuring a bold, sculptural design that pushes the boundaries of modern automotive aesthetics, it combines fluid lines and aggressive angles to create a visual presence that's impossible to ignore. The car's aerodynamic profile ensures optimal efficiency, while lightweight carbon fiber elements enhance performance. Each curve is meticulously crafted to improve speed and handling, and the iconic Bugatti grille remains an unmistakable feature. Whether standing still or in motion, the Tourbillon is a testament to Bugatti's dedication to cutting-edge design. Step inside the Bugatti Tourbillon 2025, and you're immediately enveloped in luxury. The cabin is a sanctuary of opulence, showcasing the brand's commitment to bespoke craftsmanship. Every detail, from the hand-stitched leather seats to the polished chrome accents, exudes sophistication. The interior is designed with both comfort and performance in mind, with an intuitive layout that ensures the driver is always in control. Advanced infotainment systems and customizable options make the driving experience uniquely tailored to each owner's preferences, while state-of-the-art climate control and noise insulation ensure a serene atmosphere during every journey. At the heart of the Bugatti Tourbillon 2025 is its monstrous performance. The car is powered by a next-generation W16 engine, coupled with hybrid technology that pushes the limits of speed and efficiency. Capable of reaching mind-boggling top speeds, the Tourbillon is engineered to provide an unrivaled driving experience. The integration of electric motors not only boosts acceleration but also improves handling, making the Tourbillon a powerhouse on both straightaways and sharp corners. Advanced suspension and braking systems ensure ultimate precision, giving drivers a level of control that is truly exceptional. This hypercar represents the pinnacle of automotive performance, merging traditional power with modern innovation to deliver a driving experience that is both thrilling and refined. The Bugatti Tourbillon 2025 is more than just a car, it's an engineering marvel that sets new standards in both luxury and performance. From its stunning exterior to its luxurious interior and mind-blowing performance capabilities, the Tourbillon embodies everything we've come to expect from Bugatti and more. With its bold design and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Tourbillon is poised to become a legendary piece in the world of hypercars. Stay tuned to Car Culture for more updates and in-depth reviews of the latest automotive marvels.